The most advanced artificial intelligence in the world is completely blind. It has over 1 trillion volume knobs, but it has no eyes to see them and no hands to turn them. So how does it actually learn to do anything? In the last video, we learned that when an AI makes a mistake, it measures that mistake with a strict mathematical ruler called the loss function. The AI's only goal is to make that ruler shrink to 0. But if the machine is completely blind, how does it know which of its trillion knobs to turn to find the target? In computer science, this is called gradient descent. But in reality, it is literally just the game of hot and cold. Imagine you are blindfolded in a dark room, hunting for a treasure chest. You take a random step. Your friend, the loss function, measures the distance to the target and yells, "Colder." Now you know that was the wrong direction. So you step back. You try a different direction. Your friend yells, "Warmer." Because you are blind, you don't leap. You take tiny mathematical steps, constantly listening to that feedback. Do this millions of times, and eventually a blind machine will perfectly navigate to the treasure chest. Let's watch a blind machine play this game in real time. This is TensorFlow Playground, a free tool built by Google. Before we hit play, let's look at the board. On the far left, we have our inputs, the raw numbers feeding into the machine. In the middle, we have our AI's brain. See all these faint connecting lines? Those are our volume knobs, our weights. They're faint right now because they're set randomly. The AI hasn't learned anything yet. On the far right is our target. We have a cluster of blue dots surrounded by a ring of orange dots. The AI's job is to cleanly separate them by drawing a blue circle around the center. Right now, its prediction is a messy blur. It is totally blind. And up here is our scorecard. This is the loss number, our digital ruler from the last video. Right now, it's high, meaning the AI is making a ton of mistakes. Now, watch what happens when I hit play and force the blind machine to train itself. The game is on. The machine is automatically twisting its own volume knobs thousands of times a second. It adjusts a line, checks the loss number, warmer, colder, warmer, colder. Notice how some lines are getting thicker? It's turning up the volume on the features that matter. Look at the loss number dropping. The mathematical ruler is shrinking. And stop. The loss is practically 0. The lines have locked into place. Without a human writing a single rule, the AI found the target. It trained itself. The link to this exact playground is in the description below. Go hit play, tweak the settings, and watch a machine learn. You now understand the bedrock of all artificial intelligence. It isn't magic. It is just converting reality into numbers, multiplying those numbers by weights, waiting for the math to cross a tipping point, measuring mistakes with a loss ruler, and playing a blind game of hot and cold to fix them. When you connect these 5 simple dots and multiply them by 1 trillion, you don't just get a calculator, you get ChatGPT, you get self-driving cars, you get the future. Welcome to the world of AI.